In this video I will be showing you how to create an interactive learning website for your students based on your own material. In here I load my material to the Copilot cowork, and I can use different models of the cowork, but in here I use the auto model, and then I just describe that I would like to create a website for the students where all of the material is available and make it interactive so it's easy to read it, easy to use it, and then the students can use the material on their own time. You can later integrate this one to Teams or some other places. This will be creating your own website which can be easily copied to any place and can be used from any location later. Now it's going through the prompt, the request. So I was asking to create me the history lesson which can be interactive for 10th grade students. I gave 5 documents for this prompt, and now it's going through the topics and all the material, and it's creating based on my request a website. And again, the better your prompt is, the better your output will be. It's gonna be looking it for a while, and after it has been created, you can see it in the output folder, which is gonna be then possible to download for your own PC. Now you can see that it created one file which is called index.html, and this is the new website which you can then share it to Teams or any other locations. I will be going through the sharing of it in the later phases, but in here let's just look what does it does. It explains the website, it explains what it has, and now I open the file by downloading it, and when it's downloaded I can just open it or I can copy it somewhere else where I want to put it in. Now that the website has been downloaded, I can open it, and you can see the website is created based on the materials, and now the students can go through the history lessons on their own time, and this is all the time interactive, and try to keep it colorful. But again, you can define what kind of color scheme it's going to be using. If you want to add something inside of the website, it's also possible to add. But while student studies these things, he or she can go through different, in this case, different topics, and always on the websites there is active elements, so they can always open the elements and see a bit more details out of it. So it took about 3 to 5 minutes to create the whole website, and now it's possible to share to all of the users, and I think this is one easy way to show how quickly you can create a learning material with the Microsoft Cowork.